Hi, I'm Clement of UbraPh, and in this video I am going to show you how to set up WooCommerce plugin. So let's dive right in. So we are now here in our WordPress dashboard. So the first thing we need to do is to install the WooCommerce plugin. To do that, first you need to hover on the plugins tab in the sidebar and then click add new. And then using the search bar, you need to type in WooCommerce. Then automatically WordPress will load the plugins related to the word WooCommerce. And then here we go. Next is click install now. So once the installation is done, click activate to activate the plugin. So this is now the setup wizard. So first you're going to enter the address of your online store. So for example, 5th Street, and then the country or the region where your store is located. And then you will input here the city and the postcode, and after that you can click click continue when you're done. So in the next step, the wizard will ask you in which industry does the store operate. So if you are selling clothes and accessories, you would choose fashion, apparel, and accessories. And if you are selling cosmetic products, you can choose health and beauty. So this is dependent on the products that you sell in your online store. So as for my case, I will set other and then put a description digital services, then click continue to proceed. So the next step is you will set the type of products that you will sell. So if you are selling physical products, you can check physical products, or if you are selling digital products which users can download, you can select downloads. So in this tutorial we will use physical products, and then click continue. Then after that, we will set how many products that we will want to display in our online store. So if you have more than $500, you can choose 100 to 1000. So if you have fewer products, you can select 1 to 10. So in my case, I will choose 1 to 10. And you will set where do you want to sell these products. I mean, so in the next step, you will set how many products do you want to display in your store. So if you have 500 products, you will choose 100, 1 to 1000 products. So if you have fewer products, you can choose 1 to 10 or 11 to 100. So in my case, I will choose 1 to 10 products. And then WooCommerce will ask you if you are selling these products elsewhere. So if you have an existing WooCommerce store, you can select yes, I own a different store powered by WooCommerce. So if you have physical store, you can choose yes, in person at physical store in an event. So in my case, I will choose no, since this is the only WooCommerce store that I have, and then click continue. So in this step, WooCommerce will recommend plugins and themes for your WordPress site. So if you want to add Jetpack plugin, you can check this. And if you want to add Mail Poet, Google Listing Ads, Mailchimp, Creative Mail, check that. You can check those. But for me, I will just uncheck all of this because I don't want to install this in my WooCommerce store. And then click continue. After that, you are going to choose a theme for your online store. So there are various themes that you can choose from here. So in choosing a theme, you just click choose, and then that theme will be added in your that theme will be installed in your WooCommerce store. So in my case, Ocean WP is already installed in my WooCommerce in my WordPress website. So I will just click continue with my active theme. So there you have it. The WooCommerce plugin is now installed in your WordPress website. And as you can see here, this is the WooCommerce dashboard where you can see the stats overview. And you can also see here the store management options. And you can easily set up the settings using these links here. So aside from WooCommerce tab, a products tab is also created upon installation. So in this tab, this is where you are going to add your product. So I created a separate video for this on how to add products into your WooCommerce store. So that's it. That's how you set up WooCommerce plugin.